Hello, welcome to Beach Bum Creations. My name's Tom. And on this channel, we will show you how to take the items you found on the beach and turn them into lifelong memories using resin. So, if you like our videos, hit the like and subscribe to our channel. We go and show you how to clean the shells, how to make the wood tables, everything like that. So, hope you enjoy them. Thank you. Alright folks, welcome back to Beach Bum Creations. I'm going to do a special order, and it's going to be an incense holder, and she wants it on an oyster shell. Her only thing is she wants it to be black and red and gray. So that's kind of hard for an incense holder to be that, but I'm going to try it. And I'm going to print out some red roses and stuff and see if I can stick them on there too. And also some deep red seaweed to go with it. But the first thing we got to do is we got to get all the stuff that we're going to use. This is a several step process because you got to layer the resin on something like this. So it's several. It's going to be three layers, I believe. I'll do on this one, because it's black and gray, and then I'll have clear. So first step is to go out and find the oyster. I don't know which one I'll use at this point. I'll go out to the oyster bar and check it out. I'll be right back before you know it. Alright, I'm out at the oyster bar. I'm going to scan all these oyster shells I got sitting here for my next projects and see which one I might use for this. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a big one. That'd make a great incense holder right there. But I have a black one. I just got a black one. Still dirty. I haven't even cleaned it off a little bit yet. This one right here. That one's pretty black looking. That's a big one. I think I'll use this one. Okay. Okay, I'm back just like that. Okay, here's the oyster shell I selected. It's kind of a black. It's kind of dirty. I'm going to clean it up right now real fast for you. Anyway, just in a little bit, it's going to look better, hopefully. You never know. At any rate, this stuff that I used to clean it with, it's just toilet bowl cleaner they sell down here, and works really good for cleaning shells. So all I do for something big like this is I just dip a brush in it and then start wiping it on there. You can see it sizzling. It don't take much. Yeah, it's coming clean. It's gonna look nice. I thought when I saw this on the beach, it was wet, and it just kind of looked gold around the edges. Anyway, this is cleaning it up quite nicely. So I'm going to take a wire brush to it and get off the stuff that we didn't really get too good right now, but you can see the difference already. It's starting to, well, let me get the angle just right. There you go. You can see it's going to shine up and look nice, and that does look like gold. Some clear resin over it, look just like gold. So, all right. That's the shell cleaning, the oyster shell cleaning. Okay, I'm back. I've got it kind of laid out the way I'm gonna use it. I got a pink mouth Murex right here. All this is dirty still. It's still got to be cleaned. This seaweed's got to be cleaned off. It's pretty bad. I don't know what that is down there. Anyway, I'm going to use these calico scallops because she wanted the red part of it. I have a little crab down in there somewhere. And I'll have some of this seaweed, this red seaweed. I got to clean out. That's the way when I cut it out of the netting that I find it on the beach. It's all dirty like that. I haven't cut the nylon out. And then I'll put these shells, these little bitty. I'm going to put my finger in there and show you how little they are. If I can find my finger. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah. So they're going to go right in here. Right in the bottom of that little thing there. So, we'll see how it turns out. This is the incense. It'll be stuck right up on here, like this. So, this is the beginning. It'll change as I do it. There's no set way right now, so I just, whatever happens, happens. Oh, I found another pink mouth Murex. Looks much better than that one. That one's kind of broken and anything. But these colors will come out once I clean it. It'll look lots better. So at any rate, I'm going to use this one instead. So I'm going to clean this one, and it'll be part of the project. All right. Here it again. It is again. It took a little while to get it looking this good. But look how nice it looks now compared to what it did before. Yeah, it'll be much better than that little one there. So, there you go. On to another part of it. Okay, welcome back. I'm getting ready to pour this resin right here. Got some blue resin, some powdered blue right there. I put in the clear and some silver glitter. Put it in there. I've already mixed it. That's 130 grams of part A and 65 grams of part B. So that's almost 200 grams right there. It's a little too much, I think, because I'm just going to pour it right in this little area right there where it's white, and then over here in this area, and then around in the front of it, just around in this area. So I'm going to mix it up a little bit better. I've mixed it for a few minutes, and it's been sitting there for a few minutes. So some things you need when you're pouring, first off, it's good to have a glue gun, but you always need a heat gun. That gets the bubbles out, and you always need alcohol. You get some of this resin on your hands, spray that alcohol on it, and wipe it right off. I always have the alcohol, the paper towel right there, and I don't even have to wear gloves doing it. So anyway, I've applied the shell up here for the incense to go in, and I'm getting ready to pour any moment. Okay, as you can see, I poured the blue, and I'm mixing up some more right here, some black. It's got some black and it's got some silver glitter in there, and I got a little bit of blue left over, so I want it to touch. So I got to pour some more when it hardens up a little bit. But the black will go in the back here, so the base will be black and blue. All right, I've poured some resin. I'll put some over here in this shell where it's got a lot of barnacles in there. I poured some down in that there pink-throated Murex. Put some blue in there. And this isn't touching anything, it's freestanding. You can see, I can't really get a good look in there. It's not touching that shell. This is free. Well, maybe it kind of looks like it is from here. It's not supposed to be. I didn't want it to. Anyway, I got some of these shells over here still to put on there. So this is going to dry overnight. So kind of like the way this black and the blue mixed right here. Pretty cool. So, all right. Tomorrow it'll be the final touches. Okay, I'm back here in the shop, and the woman that asked me to make this for her, she said it was black and red and gray, and sent me this right here as a color. It's a pattern like. So anyway, I printed it out, as you can tell, and I blew it up, and that one there is actually that butterfly right there. So that's the one that's going to go inside the oyster shell. And then this one here, this a different one, you can't see it real good. This one's going to be, I'm going to cut it around it and then put it on the side of the oyster shell. So anyway, I think it'll look good. I got to put a couple more coats of this clear. I put this clear, where is it? There it is. This clear paint over it, and that way when I put the resin on it, maybe it'll not kill it. The resin, when it gets hot, it tends to destroy things, so we'll see. All right, I'm to the stage where I'm going to be adding the shells to the resins before they completely dry. So I'm out here going to pick out some shells that I want to add to this. I already got a bunch of these calicos. Don't want none of those. Yeah, I'll get a couple of these cones maybe. I like this one. Okay, put that one there. That's a nice one right there. There's that one. Okay, let's go on. See if we got room for one of these. Yeah, Jesus, here we got room for that one. I already have some of these out there. Oh yeah. Yeah, we need to put one of these on there. That's a nice one right there. We got those already. Got those. Got the moon. Oh, it's too big for that. Let's see in there. Ah, yes. I want some of these comb Venus here, or one of them anyway. And some of these comb Venus. It'd be too big a one here. Like this one right here. That one right down in there. It's got some long ones. Long stickies on that one. Okay. So we got that. Okay. There. I want to get one more type. Actually, we can get some of these coquinas. I like these coquinas in here. This coquina right here. That's a good one. Some of these purple coquinas. Yeah, this one would be good. Okay, for that one. These are all just animals. I don't think I need any more animals, but you never know. Come on, open up. Grasshopper. Well, I don't really see anything. Maybe this black dragonfly. That might work. Stay there, don't fly away. It's trying to fly away. And that one don't have any color on its wings. Okay. And there they are. Sunray Venus. I'm going to put at least 2 of these. And this one here looks very nice. Look at that nice one. And let's see. Let's get a baby one. There's a good one. Oh, that one's got a little. It's got another chip out of it. So we don't need that one. Okay, so these I'll fit on there somewhere and pour some clear over it, and that'll finish it off. Well, I gotta cut the edges. Alright, here we are back in the shop. It's the next morning after I poured the resin. I still gotta trim the clear off around the edges. I'm just testing it right now to make sure the ashes land inside the oyster shell. You can barely see that butterfly down in there. But that was the butterfly that was on her paper. So, at any rate, I'm gonna pour some more black and put it underneath this because it didn't get as much black as I wanted. The blue kind of took over. I don't know. So, at any rate, this is it. Finished. Well, finished for now. It's gonna get more, I guess. I don't like the. I gotta put some more black around on the left side there. All right, there you go. All right, this is item number 119. It's a standalone incense holder made with an oyster shell. This particular customer wanted black and red and gray mostly, so I put as many calicos, scallops as I could. I got some seaweed down there. It's got slightly tint, and it's red seaweed or burgundy color. Some calicos, some comb Venus. So this is the oyster shell down there. It's got some little ones. And way down in there is a red butterfly. And that's the pattern she gave me to make this thing with. As a pattern, sort of. So, at any rate, item number 119, incense holder, complete.